In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app, this one, and clicking on blue button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a photo mark, click on this one with a camera on the left. Take a pic. To discard it, click on this X on the right. To retake it, on this arrow on the left. And to add it, on the check mark in the middle. Now to add a standard bookmark, click on this flag icon instead. To end and save your recording, select Done. Then name it and click Save. To play your recording from the list, you need to click on it. And then you can even edit it by clicking on one of those options, like Skip Silence. If you wish to get rid of it, just go back to the list, hold it, choose Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!